Let me show you how I made these beeswax wraps. I'm gonna show you how to use this kit and make your own beeswax wraps. This is such a cute kit. It comes with everything that you need. This is for taking the sticky off your hands when you're done. You already have the pre-mixed little cubes that are for making your wax wraps. It even comes with the parchment paper. We're gonna get to it. I'm gonna read these directions and then I'll walk you through step by step. The instructions are really straightforward. So first thing we need to do is preheat our oven. Preheat to 200. Take the parchment paper and line a baking sheet. And then we're going to take one of the beeswax cubes and just lay it right there in the middle. Once your oven preheats, put the cube in. Leave the door ajar to allow for circulation. We're just going to keep a check on it until it is melted thoroughly. It's all melted and ready. I like to kind of spread it out a little bit. And then I'm gonna do this, and it totally works fine if you fold it over. It'll go ahead and soak it on up. Back in for 2 minutes. Oh. Ta-da! Here we go. Gonna hang this right here and let that do its thing. It's all done and ready to use. I'm gonna take it off of my finger. These are great. Take the place of cling wrap, and they will be amazing for using on my sourdough bread. You just wash them in cold water and then hang them up on a line or hang them up with a clip or something and let them dry. Easy peasy. I'm gonna put a link in the description so that you can take a look at these. She also has some other things in her shop, some natural and sustainability options that you can check out too.